Tokarev USA TX3 HD series shotguns. Today we'll show you how to disassemble your gun for cleaning and maintenance purposes. These instructions apply to all models of the HD series gun to include the HDM and soon to be released HDG. First, we'll start by verifying that the gun is unloaded. Open the breech all the way. Visually and physically inspect to make sure there is no ammunition in the gun. First, we start by removing the magazine nut. Note that these are right-handed threads and you'll remove the nut by rotating it in the counterclockwise direction. Next, we will remove the barrel by pushing the forearm forward all the way. The barrel assembly will come out, and you can also remove the forearm, the bolt carrier, and the bolt at this point. Then you can easily remove the bolt from the bolt carrier for access for cleaning. Do not disassemble these parts any further from this point. Next, we will remove the fire control group. There are 2 pins, and you will need a drift and a hammer. Now you can remove the fire control group. This is as far as this gun needs to be disassembled. From here, you'll have all of the adequate access that you need to the parts for proper cleaning and maintenance.